What moves in the darkness around your home, your campsite, your property right now? Without this technology, you're blind to 50% of the world's activity. Military-grade night vision used to cost more than a car. But in 2026, something changed. The tech trickled down. I've been field testing these new binoculars for 30 nights straight. What they revealed in my own backyard was both breathtaking and unsettling. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly what I saw. And you'll know how to get this capability before regulations potentially change. Number 1. Night Vision Goggles. This night vision goggles for adults feature high-end functionality and professionalism, making them the ideal tool for wildlife observation, outdoor adventure. Packaged in an exquisite gift box and equipped with a portable case, these night vision goggles are the perfect choice for gifting to family and friends. Clear vision in total darkness, equipped with a 4-inch TFT Ultra HD display and a starlight-level sensor, these night vision binoculars provide exceptional clarity even in complete darkness. The backlit button design ensures convenient operation. Long-lasting power, reliable safety. The night vision goggles have a built-in 10,000 mAh fast-charging battery, supporting up to 22 hours of recording. The tactical light on the night vision device can be used for illumination or as an emergency signal, ensuring your safety during outdoor exploration. Number 2. WOSPORTS 4K Night Vision Goggles. Record stunning 4K Ultra HD videos and capture detailed 48MP photos with exceptional clarity. The 3-inch HD screen provides a vivid real-time view, perfect for wildlife watching, camping, and outdoor exploration day or night. Includes a 64GB TF card and supports expansion up to 256GB for extended storage. 10x optical plus 8x digital zoom, see up to 1,315 feet, equipped with a precision optical system featuring 10x optical zoom and 8x digital zoom, offering up to 80x total magnification. Clearly identify distant targets, animals, and landscapes up to 1,315 feet away with stable, sharp imaging. Powerful 850nm infrared illumination, 7 brightness levels, features a built-in 3W 850nm infrared LED with 7 adjustable brightness levels for bright and detailed night vision. Number 3. AKASO CMR 200 Night Vision Goggles. Powered by revolutionary AI-ISP, image signal processing, technology, the CMR device takes image quality to the next level by ensuring that every photograph captures stunning full-color images with lossless dynamics, even in the most challenging ultra-low light conditions. This cutting-edge technology enables the CMR to reproduce colors with an impressive accuracy rate of 99%, positioning it as a transformative tool for anyone needing to capture images in low-light scenarios, making it an ideal choice for nature enthusiasts, wildlife photographers, and outdoor adventurers. One of the standout features of the CMR is its remarkable 3,280-foot clear vision capability paired with a 16x digital zoom. Users can easily manipulate the zoom lens to rotate the barrel and achieve crystal-clear images from just a few centimeters away up to an outstanding distance of 3,280 feet. Whether you find yourself enjoying a serene camping trip or trying to observe wildlife in its natural habitat, the CMR ensures that you won't miss out on any intricate details, even when faced with the darkest surroundings. Number 4. 4K Night Vision Binoculars, 8x Zoom. The product has received prestigious recognitions, including the FDA Design Gold Award certification and the Muse Design Silver Award, highlighting its exceptional quality and innovative design. It features a 3-inch HD screen that allows users to adjust the brightness across 8 different levels, ensuring optimal viewing conditions in various environments. Equipped to capture stunning 4K ultra-clear video and 40-megapixel photos, this device is specifically designed for applications such as field observation, camping, and security surveillance. It excels in delivering exceptional clarity, even during nighttime operations, which is crucial for observing wildlife or monitoring security. The night vision goggles boast an impressive 2,000-foot infrared, IR, range and an innovative dual-color zoom system that supports full-color imaging. They are outfitted with an 8x digital zoom and 3 levels of IR illumination, enabling users to easily identify wildlife silhouettes or detect suspicious movements from distances of up to approximately 600 meters. Number 5. True 4K Ultra HD Night Vision Binoculars. The Starlight Sony CMOS sensor incorporated in this device is designed to deliver true native 4K video quality along with crystal clear 52MP photographs. This means users can expect sharp, high-resolution images without any unwanted interpolated blur that often occurs in lower-quality sensors. The 8x digital zoom capability ensures that even in varying conditions such as daylight, low light, or complete darkness, users can capture precise details, making this device ideal for observation, security applications, and adventurous explorations. With the impressive range of 3,940-foot IR night vision, this device features a high-power adjustable infrared illuminator paired with advanced infrared technology, which grants users clear visibility even in pitch-black environments. The option of 4 selectable smart IR levels allows for stealthy usage while still maintaining maximum clarity, which is particularly beneficial for activities like hunting, wildlife tracking, and monitoring personal property. The night is no longer a barrier. If you want to see exactly which model I recommend, and maybe catch a limited-time deal, all the links are waiting for you in the description below. Did this video change how you think about night tech? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this review valuable, do 2 things for me. First, tap that like button, it truly makes a difference. Second, check out the video on screen right now, where I test thermal cameras against these night vision binoculars. The results were shocking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.